Hi, this is Chris Lafayette, and you're at Colorado State University's engineering department, and we're going to conduct a demo today for lab number 5. So let's give it a try. All right, I think we're going to turn off a light here. All right, that's a little bit better. Okay, so let's begin. What we're looking at today is an adder subtractor that typically goes inside of an ALU or an arithmetic logic unit. And what we're going to do is a couple of functions here, 3 actually. We're going to do an addition, a subtraction, and a multiplication, just to demo the functionality of this ALU adder subtractor multiplier circuit. So let's get started. All right. Starting at 0 here, and from right to left, of course, we have the first 4 bits for, excuse me, for X, and the next 4 bits for Y. So let's just do a couple of simple numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2, as indicated by the binary LEDs lighting up. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. Let's make that 1 plus 3 should be 4. Okay, 1 plus 7 should be 8. So we can get a pretty good idea that the addition is working properly. Let's do one more. Let's say 4 plus, let's say 2. 4 plus 2 should be 6. So we get a 6 lighting up. Okay, that's a little bit hard to see for some reason on the video. Maybe that's a little bit better. Let's do another addition just to be sure. Okay, 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 should be 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. I think we can see that on the screen there. All right, let's move over to subtraction. Let's take this all back to 0. And to subtract, we're going to push the subtract button. And I should point out that the last 2 switches are controlling the addition, subtraction, and multiplication, with the last switch controlling the multiplication. So let's start off with 8 on the first bank. I think we can see that okay. 8, and let's subtract. Let's subtract 2. 2 from 8 should be 6. And we have a 6. We have a 6 lit up. 2 from 8 is 6. Let's subtract 4 from 8. 4 from 8 should be 4, and then that's a binary 4 on the LED. Okay. Maybe one more subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's subtract. Let's start off with a 4, and let's subtract 1. That should be a 3, and we got a 3. All right, that should be good enough for subtraction. Now let's do multiplication. Okay, so to multiply, we're going to turn the last switch to 0. Put a number in the first bank. Let's do something simple to start. 2, and then we'll multiply that by 2, and that should give us a 4, which it does. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. Let's try another one. Let's try 4 times 4. Let's try 4 times 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4. And that gives us the 16. The 16 digit. 4 times 4 is 16. All right, let's try one more. Let's say 3 times 3. Let's do 3 times 3. 3 on the first bank, and we'll multiply 3 on the second one. 3 times 3 is 9. And of course you get the binary count of 9. Alrighty, so let's wrap this one up and send this in. Alright, thanks for watching. Again, this is Chris Lafayette, and this is ECE 102 at Colorado State University. Cheers, everybody.